colour we're going for is pink. Right guys, so good morning and welcome back to the channel today. So a new series is going down, and let me get in my car because it's really loud. New series is going down on the channel. It's basically, I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but it's going to be along the lines in which I'm going to be. So it's going to be along the lines of me refurbing my, well, not refurbing because they don't really need much of a refurb, respraying my wheels. Now I've had a lot of people comment down below, like, well, I did a poll basically asking what colour I should go for. I'm not telling you what colour it is until later on. Most of you guys have chosen pretty much already, and then you will find out the colour anyway from the poll. But I'll let you find out the colour later on. So today, part one of me refurbing my wheels, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what I'm going to name it, but I'll name it something different. We're going to head off to Halfords, go get ourselves what we need to respray the wheels. Colours are obviously the paint, the lacquer, the primer, sandpaper, things like that. I could have done it with an air gun, like, you know, with a compressor, an actual spray gun, but I think it'd be beneficial for me to, you know, not everyone has that sort of equipment, so I'm gonna use spray cans and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna head off to Halfords. When I get down there, you'll see what colour we're going for. So whilst we're down in Plymouth, you may as well visit Global Motors while we're here. So if we take a little look into Chris's stock at the minute, Chris is doing a good deal at the minute actually. For this month in December, he's doing a £250 deposit contribution towards any of the cars you buy that he has in stock. So we've got this little it's 1.2 isn't it? Yeah. 1.2 Polo. I'm not going to go through like all details because you can go onto his website and check it all out now because there's way too many cars here for me to go through. But you know, Chrissy G loves a good old 1 Series. Check out this sick looking like sea grey 1 Series M Sport. Petrol. 33k miles. 33,000 miles on a 12 plate. That is mental. It's got a BMW professional sound system, full leather seats, cruise climate. Who would not want this? I mean, look at. I think it's got, yeah. He's just saying pretty much every extra on it, apart from probably like the iDrive. That's pretty much it. I think it's what it's missing. Halo lights. That halo lights actually, they are pretty cool. I did a photo the other day. This is the one that was actually on my Instagram the other day. I took a photo of. As you see, it's got the halo lights. So that's definitely a good buy. Remember, you get £250 towards that car as well. And any of these cars there. It's got a 61 plate.
2012.
Oh, was it 2012, is it? Yeah, oh yeah, 2012. 61s, yeah. Yeah, so 2012 plate 1 Series hatchback. Really nice car. The grey looks really good in the BMWs. We got this lovely low mileage Citroen. I forgot what these are called. DS3s, that's it. DS3s. This is on real low miles. I'm like 8k, and that's on that.
8,000 miles.
8,495. So it currently says there 8,995, but it's not. It's 8,495, and you get 250 quid off of that price as well. So you get an absolute bargain. No road tax on it at all. 8,000 miles. So you know that this is literally like almost brand new. 16 plate as well. Bargain for what it is. This Insignia is like fully fucking loaded. I'm not even. It's fully loaded. Got electric open mirrors. You've got your cruise control. You've got. I can't even like go through and tell you everything that's on it right now. But it is all on the website. So if you are interested in any of these cars, and there is one more out here as well, which is this 1 Series, which is up for £3,000, isn't it? Yeah. For £3,000. This is an absolute bargain. It's just had pretty much loads of stuff done to it. It's had new charm and chain, yeah. MOT, you get full services. Oh, you get a service obviously done with it and everything as well. For every car you buy, you get full service done and a full 12 months MOT before you get it. So yeah, make sure you all come down and check this out. But for now, let's crack on with the rest of today's video. That's where fucking dreams are made of, people. This place. The colour we're going for is pink. Right, so grey. No, we're going for gunmetal grey, right? But I need to find gunmetal grey. We'll use we'll get a filler primer. We'll just get this filled up. We don't need one can of that because
It's not grey primer.
no, we only need. We'll get filler and we'll get grey primer as well. And then we lacquer. Right. So we found this one, which is a Ford Midnight Sky. So we're sticking to the Ford theme. Look at that. It's sort of like pearlescent. It's got like little sparkles in it. I don't know how good that is compared to the actual paint, but obviously we need more than one can. So where was it? Was that down here?
Ford. There you go. No,
No,
it's
that's
not
sea
so.
grey. That's actually quite nice. Actually, that's sea grey.
It's the same colour.
It's not. It's different. Metallic. We'll go for the Ford Sea Grey. Fuck it. lads.
There's Ford. That's what we got, isn't it?
No, that's Mercury Grey.
What have we got?
Oh, Graphite Grey. We'll go for that one. Ford Graphite Grey. Yes. Right, we'll go for Ford Graphite Grey. We'll just get a few of these. Leave that one there. 1 and 2, really. Need 3. Right, hold on, boys. We're going to go find another one. Someone's going to have one of these around here somewhere. Right, so we've got 3 cans of Ford Graphite Grey, 1 can of grey primer, a big can of filler primer, and a big can of lacquer. So hopefully that should be enough. If not, Keisha's gonna have to come down and get some more for me. And then we've got some 1500 grit sandpaper and like a sanding block as well. So they should all be hopefully enough. So let's get this paid for, and then yeah. Baby. Right, so got me Alfred's bag full of this. Came to actually for everything that was in here. Came to £48.99, so it was not really that bad. About 50 quid to get your wheels refurbed, depending on if you need to get like actual filler as well as fill in bits, but this is like a basic, you know, wheel colour change. So that is the filler we got there. Big 500ml bottle, 500ml bottle of the clear lacquer, and I think that, yeah, there's the Ford metallic graphite grey. I don't know if you can really see it. It's like, it's quite dark, but I don't think it will come out that dark. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. It's a bit dark, a bit shit in the lighting. And then we got myself, because this is all I'm going to use, just because obviously when you're sanding, it's quite difficult to sand when you've got, you know, like actual strips of sandpaper. Thanks for the lighting. I've got myself a sanding sponge, which I don't really know what grit that is. Oh, it's classed as fine, very fine, so it doesn't give me an actual reading. So I'm going to use that to probably like take down most of the sanding, and then once I get down to, you know, like putting the filler on and stuff like that, I'm wanting to make it really smooth. I got myself some 1500 grit sandpaper, which should make it really, really smooth and get a really good finish on the paintwork, and then obviously then we can start painting. So that is it for the first episode. Next episode is obviously going to be getting the wheels off, and then getting the other wheels put on, which is Chris has let me borrow some ST wheels, some old ST Mark 6 wheels, and then we're going to basically strip them out, take the tyres off, and then hopefully start preparing them with sandpaper, getting them all clean, getting some alcoholic substances on it, just making it really, really clean, and then we'll be good to go from there. So hopefully this should take about 4 parts, 5 parts maybe, but I want to do it like properly. I really want to do it properly this time, just so you guys can see. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thank you for watching today. There's my cameraman over there. Yeah, that's it for today. I've pretty much done now for the first part. Thanks for watching as always. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new, and hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload. If you want to ask me questions about everything I'm basically going to be doing throughout this process, then feel free to comment down below, or check out all my social media, which is in the description down below, and ask as many questions you want. I'll be here to answer them. And if you guys want to give me any tips as well, any pointers into doing this, because I'm not no professional, but I do want to give a really, really good job on it, so then comment that down below as well, or get in contact with me. But yeah, thanks for watching always, guys. Love you, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye bye.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know